Hello, and welcome back to Life Journeys with a Physician. I'm Dr. Shelia. In this episode, I'm excited to help you understand and provide strategies to implement the Mediterranean diet. In episode 1, I talked about healthy eating. I'll also be exploring other approaches to healthy eating and healthy lifestyle, so subscribe to not miss anything. Before we get started, let me give you a brief history of the Mediterranean diet. Our journey starts thousands of years ago in the sun-drenched lands surrounding the Mediterranean Sea. The Mediterranean diet is not tied to one country, but it's a blend of the eating habits of diverse people who lived around this region, including Greeks, Italians, Spaniards, and many others. Each of these cultures contributed unique elements, but the overall pattern remained consistent. The Mediterranean diet didn't gain global scientific recognition till the 1950s or 60s. That's when an American scientist, Ansel Keys, conducted the 7-country study. He discovered that people in regions like Crete, other parts of Greece, and southern Italy had lower risk of cardiovascular disease despite their high-fat diets. He attributed this to the types of fats they ate, mainly olive oil, along with their high intake of fresh fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Over the following decades, the benefits of the Mediterranean diet became increasingly clear. This diet's emphasis is in stark contrast to the Western diet, which often relies on heavily processed foods, added sugars, and unhealthy fat. Furthermore, the Mediterranean diet incorporates physical activity and enjoying meals with others, contributing to overall well-being and a balanced lifestyle. The Mediterranean diet was deemed to be so significant that it was actually added to the representative list of the intangible cultural heritage of humanity. Again, it's very important to note that the Mediterranean diet extends beyond food. It represents a way of life that emphasizes not only healthy eating, but physical activity and enjoying meals in the company of others. This holistic approach is key to our overall healthy lifestyle and well-being. Now, let's get to the basic tenets of the Mediterranean diet. Number 1, eat plenty of vegetables, fruits, and whole grains. Number 2, include healthy fats such as olive oil, nuts, and seeds. Number 3, prioritize lean protein sources such as fish, poultry, eat red meat in moderation. Number 4, incorporate legumes and beans regularly. Number 5, opt for low-fat or fat-free dairy products like yogurt and cheese. Number 6, limit processed foods, added sugars, and saturated fats. Number 7, if you choose to do so and it fits your lifestyle, enjoy red wine in moderation. Not more than 1 glass per day for women, not more than 2 glasses per day for men. Number 8, stay physically active, maintain a balanced lifestyle. Now, what are the evidence-based benefits of Mediterranean diet? Number 1 that we've talked about before is improve heart health, reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases, including heart attack, stroke. Number 2, lower the risk of type 2 diabetes and better blood sugar control. Number 3, better weight management, lower obesity rates. Number 4, enhance cognitive function and reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases. Number 5, lower your cancer risk, especially breast, prostate, and colorectal cancers. I know making dietary changes can be daunting, but remember, small steps can lead to major rewards. With the Mediterranean diet, you have the opportunity to nourish your body with wholesome natural foods while enjoying delicious flavors in a variety of meals. You don't have to make every change at once, and there's no such thing as perfect eating. We're going to go through 10 simple ways to incorporate the Mediterranean diet into your lifestyle. Number 1, batch cook your whole grains. Start the week by batch cooking a week's worth of whole grains such as quinoa, brown rice, barley. They can serve as a base for salads, side dishes, or even breakfast during the week. Number 2, snack smart. Choose fruits, nuts, and seeds for snacks. These are portable, quick, and aligned with the Mediterranean diet. Number 3, use olive oil. Replace other fats like butter and margarine with heart-healthy olive oil in cooking and salads. Number 4, go for whole. Choose whole foods over processed whenever possible. That means opting for whole grain bread instead of white bread, or eating whole fruit instead of drinking fruit juice. Number 5, add more greens. Try to add vegetables to every meal. This could be as simple as adding spinach to your omelet or adding bell peppers to your lunchtime sandwich. Number 6, fish first. Prioritize fish and poultry over red meat. Try to have at least 2 servings of oily fish like salmon or mackerel per week. Number 7, plant-based protein. Incorporate more legumes and beans in your meals. They're a great source of protein and can be used in a variety of dishes such as soups, salads, stews. Number 8, meal prep. Plan your meals for the week in advance. This can help save time, reduce stress, ensure you have healthy options at hand. There are even food services that base their recipes on the Mediterranean diet. Some of those will be linked below. Number 9, hydrate mainly with water. Make water your primary drink. Sugary drinks can add unnecessarily calories and don't provide the same level of hydration. Number 10, enjoy in moderation. If you drink alcohol, enjoy red wine in moderation. As we've talked about before, pick one change, preferably something that will be enjoyable to you. Become comfortable with that change before you go on to others. You'll be surprised how far you can go taking small steps. More information about this is linked below, along with some things that I recommend. In closing, the most important thing to remember, the Mediterranean diet is not about restrictions, but rather about savoring and celebrating fresh, delicious, and nutritious food. Take it one step at a time, enjoy the process, and make adjustments as needed to fit your lifestyle. As you integrate these changes, you'll find that this way of eating can not only be delicious and satisfying, but can also become a foundation for a better, more vibrant life. Please join me for more videos in Season 1 exploring a healthy lifestyle. Topics will include healthy eating, increasing physical activity, improving your sleep, and improving your overall happiness. It was a pleasure as always to be with you. Please feel free to ask any questions, make any comments or suggestions. That's why I'm here.